Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Compliments of the season. It's Winnie here again in another video. And in today's video, we are going to be learning how to make this signature sleeve by Veekee James. Trust me, this sleeve, it really elevates a very simple dress into something very, very classy and very gorgeous. This sleeve is very, very gorgeous, guys. And if this is what you would like to learn, kindly stay tuned, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified. All right, guys, let's get to the honey of this video. Papa, so to cut out this kind of stylish sleeve, I'm going to first draft it on my pattern, and I'm going to draft it on my main fabric. So I'm folding this fabric in half like this. I'll fold it into two. After folding it into two, my normal sleeve measurement is 24, but I want it to be a bit longer than my normal sleeve. So my normal sleeve measurement is 24. I'm going to make this 25 inches. I don't want it to be too long, so it doesn't look funny on me. So I'm going to increase my normal sleeve by 1 inch, so which is 25 inches in length. Okay. So I'll be adding extra 1 inch to that for hemming allowance. I'll be adding extra 1 inch to that for hemming allowance. So now, for you to draft this kind of sleeve, you need to draft your normal basic sleeve first before now making that stylish design on it. So now my bicep measurement is 11 inches, which 11 inches divided by 2 is 5.5 inches, and I have like 3 inches extra, which is enough for me to fold my pattern paper or my fabric. Your bicep measurement plus 3 inches extra is enough, but if you want the sleeve to be wider, you fold it more. So now my bicep measurement is 5.5. I'm going to be adding ½ inch for seam allowance, and I'm going to mark, which is making 6 inches. I'm going to mark that all the way down, 6 inches all the way down. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So now from now I'm going to, the next thing I'm going to do is to get my arm's eye, which is 3 inches. My arm's eye is 3 inches. Then I'm going to draw a straight line to draw my armhole curve. Alright, just like I did in my first video that I taught how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. Then I'm going to look for the midpoint. Okay, I'll come up by half inch and go down by half inch. So this is going to form my armhole curve for my sleeve. And then on the wrist area, like I said, before you can achieve this sleeve, you need to first cut out your normal basic sleeve. So now on the wrist area, my measurement is 9 inches. That is 4.5. 9 inches divided by 2 is 4.5 inches. So I'm going to make it 5 inches plus the seam allowance. I'm going to make it 5 inches. I only added half inch seam allowance, and then I'll connect that to the point of the armhole curve. So sorry. So this is my normal sleeve pattern. This side where we've drafted our sleeve is our normal sleeve pattern. Now to form that stylish design, we're going to come up from your hemming allowance. We're going to come up by 9 inches. You can go higher and you can go lower. So but for me, I'm going to be coming up by 9 inches here on our new line. So after coming up by that 9 inches, I'm just going to draw an A-line shape from here to this point here. And our stylish sleeve is formed. Alright, so if you want it wider, you can fold your paper wider and just slant it. And then there's another method in which you can also cut this place out and make this place separate. I'm going to do another tutorial on that, but for this, you just draw your hairline, and this is perfect for me. So let's cut it out and see what it looks like. I'm going to be cutting it out now. What it is looking like. So by the time you wear your sleeve, this is how it's going to be looking. Alright, so now the next thing you're going to do, we've not finished drafting our armhole curve here. So the next thing we're going to do is to make this like an S, don't forget, and then shape out the front armhole. So now we are done. This is the front armhole and this is the back armhole. Now just to let you know, this A-line, you can reduce it if you want. If it's too wide for you, you can reduce it. I'm guessing I should reduce mine. I don't want it to be I don't want it to be this sharp, so I think I'm going to come in by 1 inch and just reduce it a little bit. It will be coming in by 1 inch, and then I'll reduce it a little bit. Don't want it to be too so you just cut that out. Yeah, this is okay for me now. Yes, it's not looking too, so I will advise that you don't make it too a-line, too open, but there are some designs that are very wide, but I want mine to be minimal, so I want it to be like this. So don't forget. Okay, let's get to the sewing before I before I let the cat out of the bag. So now let's transfer this to our fabric. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is to go to my sewing machine. I'm just going to this 9 inches that I left, I'm going to leave it open. I'm going to go up by 8.5 inches, and I'm leaving all of this open while I'll sew this with half-inch seam allowance. Then after doing that, I'm going to hem this place a little and it down to a little. Then I'm going to come back to show you the finished look. I think I'm going to sew it up to this 9 inches, or up to this point here. Or I think I should go up by 8 inches. So I'm just going to mark out this 8 inches. I'm going to sew it by half-inch seam allowance up to this point, and then I'm leaving all of this open. So when I'm done, I'm going to end the sides, these two sides, which will be open at the long run, to be like this. I hope you can see it clearly. So I'm going to end this side and end this side, then I'm going to end the down part too. I'll do all of that and come back to show you what it looks like. So that is that about sewing this kind of stylish cut together sleeve. I'm going to do another video on the second method very soon. So beautiful people, I've gone ahead to stitch the sleeve, and I hemmed the sleeve from the slit part to the down part, and this is the upper part where I'll be joining to my main clothes. Guys, I was making my Christmas clothes, so I made the sleeve. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to get more sewing videos. Bye.